What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of JNB Tuning. Well, guys, in today's episode, we are going to install something for the Golf R, mainly in preparation for the summer here. And I got something brewing here that I won't be ruining the surprise. But anyways, guys, we will be installing this. We got our fire extinguisher and our KAP Industries brace for the fire extinguisher that we'll be installing right in the Golf R. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get going. Hey, Chester. Hey, Chester. How you doing, boy? Where you going? Where are you going? Come here. Come here, boy. Anyways, guys, I want to just show you the parts that and the tools that we need in this process. We have triple square M10 that we'll need to unbolt our rails for the seat there, the bolt for the seats on the Golf R. And then we have, again, I just want to show you guys, as you guys know, KAP Industries, they're based in Europe. And as a lot of the Porsches and Volkswagen and German cars out there, they are basically selling these parts here for a lot of the sports cars. And basically here, this part that I have here is actually the same as what they use in the Porsches 911s. But anyhow, we will be installing this in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. It's very easy actually, guys. Just 2 bolts, and then you basically put this in, bolt them in, and then you just basically mount the fire extinguisher from there. So anyways, stay tuned. So inside the car here now, first order of business, basically we need to loosen this up, this bolt here, M10, and another M10 on this side here. Once that's loosened up, then we can just bolt this brace up. This one bolt. Get the second one. It's our second bolt. And then basically here we just have to position this like so and get our bolt going here. And the other one as well. And the bolt there is not really tight at all. I didn't have to struggle so much to undo it. So we just have to snug it. No need for a torque spec. I'm sure there's a torque spec for this, but it would be the lowest torque you could ever have. Anyways, we will just tighten this up so that way it's snug. This one. There you go. And as you guys noticed, guys, I already moved the chair back so that way it just leaves me a lot of space to work with. And undo the bolt that came with the unit here to mount the fire extinguisher. And go grab the extinguisher here quickly. Here's our fire extinguisher. So basically here I might have to undo, take the whole unit here out first, so that way we can free up this whole thing. It's easier to install. Just put it on the side here for now. And just bolt this baby in. We will probably try to position it here the proper way. Simple enough. There's the bolt here, the nut with the bolt. Just tighten this baby up, and you could almost probably guess what I'm trying to do here, guys, and the plan for the Golf R and some of the vehicles this summer. I am planning to actually do some tracking this summer a little bit more, and preparing the cars here, including the let me just fit this up and see how it looks like here. The Golf R and the FB6 Honda Civic here. I'm planning to do some tracking this summer, and I'm hoping to actually do a little bit of this learning. As I would like to actually start driving in a more controlled environment and learn to drive in the track. So anyways, I'm gonna just tighten this up here. I'm gonna grab a tool to tighten this up. I might have to undo this for now to be able to get to this bolts here, so I can tighten both of that. So hold on a second, guys. Give me a second here. All right, we got our 5/16 box wrenches on both ends here, and it's ratcheting, so it'd be easier to tighten this baby up. Just gotta make sure though that this is situated nicely where I want it. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want it there. I wonder if it's better to, yeah, that should be good, I think. Makes more sense. Or I wonder if it'd be better to actually go this way. Well, we'll give this a try and see for the time being. Let's do the other side here. There we go. And then there's this clamp here, basically, that locks this whole thing in. There we go. Looks beautiful. Anyways, let's position this whole chair back in the way it was. There you go, guys. Looking good. I think I like how it's positioned. Yeah, either that or I'm gonna flip it over on the other way here and see how that looks. So let me try that. I'll show you guys when it's done. All right, pretty much done, guys. So I like it this way. Actually, it's more proportioned. I might have to put a bit of a padding on this side so that way it doesn't ruin our what do you call this thing, our carpeting here. It doesn't touch, but I'm sure when there's a bit of rocking up and down here, it's gonna start rubbing against the carpet. So I'm gonna put something there, rubber, to stop it from shaking, obviously, in this case. The rubber mat here is not really doing justice because it's actually above the mat. So anyways, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna try and put it back and see how it looks with the new look here. There we go. Sports car. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That looks nice. Yeah, no, I like it. I like how it looks, guys. Let me just show you guys exactly how it's looking now. Fold my... Here we go. Looks very nice. Beautiful, guys. We got our sports car set up here. That's for sure. I really love it. Awesome. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna turn off my... So anyways, guys, we're pretty much done here, and I'm really happy with the install here, basically. And so, as I have mentioned, we are preparing this car for the summer, and that really can't wait to drive this car this summer, and hopefully we can do some tracking again. We probably will be doing some tracks with the Golf R and also the Honda Civic Si, as I have prepared. I've been preparing the Si. I believe the Si will be my dedicated track car from here, and I'll be doing some modifications that I'll be needing for the track in this process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for all that video. Peace out.